watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The timeless charm of vintage farmhouse decor on a budget. How to transform your home with rustic elegance and nostalgic touches without breaking the bank. Let's explore 20 affordable ideas to infuse your space with classic style. Thrifted furniture. Discover antique poster beds and clawfoot tables at thrift stores. Refinish or paint them to match your farmhouse aesthetic for a fraction of the cost. Antique lamps. Illuminate your space with vintage milk glass lamps. Find these treasures at thrift shops or antique markets for a touch of old-world charm. Old books. Decorate with distressed books found at thrift stores. Stack them with decorative bookends or tie them with twine for a rustic centerpiece. Milk glass. Embrace the beauty of milk glass in various decor pieces. From cake stands to vases, incorporate these timeless items for farmhouse elegance. Vintage linens. Hunt for handmade and embroidered table linens at yard sales. Mix and match these vintage finds for charming tablescapes that change with the seasons. Baskets. Discover the craftsmanship of vintage tobacco baskets or wicker baskets. Use them as wall decor or as stylish storage solutions throughout your home. Milk cans. Repurpose old milk cans as outdoor decor for your porch. Easily switch out flowers and foliage to match the season or holiday. Quilts and vintage bedding. Cozy up with authentic vintage country quilts for added warmth and charm in your bedroom. Rustic kitchen decor. Display rolling pins, cutting boards, and antique utensils in your kitchen for both decor and functionality. Vintage mirrors. Add character to your space with affordable vintage mirrors found at flea markets. These charming pieces make stunning focal points in any room. Rustic wall decor. Adorn your walls with rustic accents like weathered wood signs, vintage-style clocks, and wrought iron wall art. Mix and match different pieces to create a gallery wall that adds character to your space. Farmhouse chic planters. Repurpose old buckets, tin cans, or ceramic pots as planters for your indoor or outdoor greenery. Add a touch of farmhouse charm to your home with potted plants displayed in vintage-inspired containers. Vintage kitchenware displays. Showcase your collection of vintage kitchenware, such as enamelware bowls, mason jars, and retro coffee pots on open shelves or hanging racks. These nostalgic pieces not only add visual interest, but also evoke memories of simpler times. Barnyard accents. Incorporate barnyard-inspired decor elements like rustic wooden signs with farm animal motifs, chicken wire baskets, and faw animal heads. These whimsical touches infuse your home with farmhouse flair and a touch of countryside charm. Distressed wood shelving. Install distressed wood shelves in your kitchen, living room, or bathroom to display decorative items such as vintage dishes, mason jars filled with dried flowers, and antique knickknacks. The weathered look of the shelves adds to the rustic charm of your decor. Vintage farmhouse clocks. Hang oversized vintage farmhouse clocks on your walls to make a bold statement and add a touch of nostalgia to your space. Look for clocks with distressed finishes, Roman numerals, and decorative elements like metal accents or wooden frames. Farmhouse chic textiles. Layer your furniture with farmhouse chic textiles like cozy knit throws, play blankets, and vintage-inspired cushions. Opt for natural fabrics in neutral colors or classic patterns to achieve a cozy and inviting look. Galvanized metal accents. Integrate galvanized metal accents such as trays, buckets, and lanterns into your decor for an industrial farmhouse vibe. These versatile pieces add texture and visual interest while complementing the rustic charm of your home. Vintage apothecary jars. Display a collection of vintage apothecary jars filled with dried herbs, cotton balls, or bath salts in your bathroom or on a vanity table. The old-world charm of these glass jars adds a touch of elegance and nostalgia to your space. Farmhouse chic wreaths. Hang farmhouse chic wreaths on your front door, above mantels, or on interior walls to add a festive touch to your decor. Choose wreaths made from natural materials like grapevine, cotton stems, or dried flowers for a rustic yet refined look. Transform your home with these thrifty vintage farmhouse decor ideas. From repurposed furniture to timeless accents, infuse your space with rustic charm without breaking the bank. Create a cozy and inviting atmosphere that reflects the timeless beauty of farmhouse living.